In a world where whispers of the wind carried secrets, a tiny particle danced through the air. "Why do you travel so far?" asked the curious breeze. "To find a home," replied the particle. But as it settled, a mighty sneeze erupted, sending it spiraling away. "Why must you leave?" the breeze inquired. "To clear the path for others," the particle answered, embracing its journey anew. Each sneeze was a symphony of renewal, a reminder that even the smallest actions could lead to great change. "Embrace the sneeze," the breeze whispered, "for it clears the way."